Hello students, welcome to Alpha Beta classes. So this is day 3 of chapter real numbers. So today's topic is LCM and HCF by using prime factorization method. तो प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड निकालना सीखा था. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो अभी मेरे चैनल पे जाएं और उस वीडियो को एंड तक देखें. उसके बाद इस वीडियो को कंटिन्यू करें. लेट अस बिगिन द क्लास नाउ. सो स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज HCF? H for highest, C for common, F for factor. Suppose we have two numbers 8 and 12. Now, in order to find the HCF, we have to choose the number that follows two conditions. First, the number should be largest, and second, that number divides both the given number. So if a number follows these two conditions, then we can say that it is the HCF. So here 4 is the number that will follow both the condition. 4 is the largest number that divides 8 as well as 12. Now what is LCM? So LCM is least common multiple. Let us take the same example and try to find the LCM. So here we have two number 8 and 12. Now we have to think about the number that is smallest and also that number is divisible by both these numbers. So if a number follow these two conditions, then we can say that it is the LCM of the given numbers. So here 24 is that number which follow these two conditions. It is the smallest number that is divisible by 8 as well as 12. So students, जब भी आपको कोई भी दो गिवन नंबर है तो LCM हमेशा उन गिवन नंबर से छोटी वैल्यू ही आएगी. ठीक है, और LCM हमेशा गिवन नंबर से बड़ी वैल्यू ही देता है. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन कंक्लूड दैट LCM इज डिविजिबल बाय HCF, और वी कैन से दैट HCF is a multiple of LCM. Now let's move to next topic to find HCF as well as LCM by using prime factorization method. Let us understand the topic by using an example. Suppose now we have to find the HCF and LCM of 18 and 24 by using prime factorization method. So students, इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले आपको दोनों गिवन नंबर का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, तभी हम आगे HCF और LCM निकाल पाएंगे. So let us find the prime factorization of 18. So it is divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. We will use only prime numbers to find the prime factorization. Now for 24, 2 is divisible by 24 at 12. Then 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Now write the prime factorization of both the numbers in the exponent form. For 2 we can write power as 1, and now for 24 it is 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 1. So ये पार्ट आप ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस क्लास में सीख चुके हैं. अब आपको मेनली यहाँ पे क्या सीखना है, हाउ टू टेक द HCF. सो स्टूडेंट, इन दोनों के HCF के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले इन दोनों में जो भी प्राइम नंबर्स कॉमन है, मींस जो दोनों में आ रहे हैं, उनको लिस्ट कर लेंगे HCF के आगे. तो यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ पे भी 2, तो ये कॉमन हो गया. तो यहाँ पे 2 प्राइम नंबर इसका कॉमन हो गया. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट 3 भी कॉमन है क्योंकि दोनों में आ रहा है. ठीक है, एंड नाउ यू हैव टू चूज़ द लोएस्ट पावर ऑफ दैट नंबर. सो इन दोनों में से हमारे पास लोएस्ट पावर क्या है, 2 की, 1, राइट. एंड फॉर दिस द लोएस्ट पावर ऑफ 3 इज ऑल्सो 1. So here we can get 2 multiply 3 is 6. So HCF is 6 in this case. So in case of HCF, you have to take product of smallest power of each common prime factors in the given number. Okay, that's what we did in this question. And you know that HCF is the largest number that divides the given number exactly. So 6 here divides 18 as well as 24 exactly. Now for LCM, you have to take all the prime numbers that are coming in the question. So here prime numbers are 2 as well as 3. Doesn't matter whether it is common or not, you just have to write all the prime numbers. After that, you have to pick the highest power of every prime number. So here highest power of 2 is 3 and highest power of 3 is 2. So this is the LCM. So here 2 raised to power 3 is 8 into 9, that is 72. So LCM is product of greatest power of each prime factors involved in the numbers. Also we know that LCM is the smallest value that is divisible by both the given numbers. So now let us take one more question. In this question you have to tell me about HCF and LCM in the comment section. Use the above method and try to find the LCM and HCF of this number A and B. Now student, there is one most important result, that is HCF of two number and LCM of two number is equal to product of that number. This is the verified result. Okay, and this is applicable for two numbers only, not for 3, not for 4, only for 2, and it is always applicable for two numbers. So by using this result we can solve the given question. So in this question HCF of two number is given as 9 and LCM of two numbers you have to find, and two numbers are also given. A is 306 and B is 657. Now by using this result, HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So here HCF is 9, LCM we don't know. A is 306 and B is 657. So LCM comes out to be 306 into 657 by 9. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So this is the answer. Students, if this video helped you understand HCF and LCM clearly, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe for complete class 10th maths preparation. Thank you. Bye bye.